In this video, I will show you how to do this type of logo animation in After Effects. First, I just create a new combo, rename it as main. Then I create a new solid by right-click, new solid, rename it as particles. Then I just add a logo to the timeline. Let me pre-compose this logo by right-click, pre-compose. I'm going to make this logo 3D by clicking here. Let me hide this logo comb. Go to Effect, RG Track Code, Particular. Under Emitter, change the emitter type to Layer. Under Layer Emitter, change Layer to Logo Comb. Go to Particles per second and change to 0. Set a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Let me go 6 seconds and change to 1 and 6 zeros. Go 1 second forward and change back to 0. Press U on keyboard to open all keyframes. Select all keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Go to velocity and change to 25. Now under particle, change sphere feather to 0. Size to 4. Size random to 100. Under lighting, shadowlets, enable shadowlets. Go to displays under turbulence field. Change TFFX size to 30. Under global controls, world transform. Set keyframes for world rotation XYZ and world offset at the beginning of the timeline. Change world rotation to XYZ to -1 and world offset to -500. Let me go 7 seconds and change back to 0. Press U on keyboard to open all keyframes and easy use all keyframes. Now we'll create a copy of this particle layer and rename it as particle background. Select particle background and go to emitter. Change the velocity to 200. Go to particle and change size to 1. I will create a new comb. Drag this logo comb and main comb to the timeline. Let me place this logo comb where the vertical animation is going to finish. This is at 8 seconds. I will set a keyframe for opacity at 8 seconds for main comb. Go 1 second forward and change opacity to 0. For the logo comb, I will set a keyframe for opacity at 8 seconds and change to 0. Go 1 second forward and change back to 100. I will select these keyframes and easy ease. If you want, you can also add a glow effect. Effects and presets, stylize, glow. Glow threshold to 95 and glow radius to 0. And that's it, people.